Hi everyone, welcome to Shopify Dropshipping. In this course, we will cover dropshipping business from A to Z. In this video, I will give you a quick overview of the course content. First of all, we will discuss the dropship model. After that, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the dropship business. Next, how much cost you need to start a dropship business. After that, we will discuss the dropship setup, which platform take part in the dropship setup. After that, we will add the needed Google Chrome extension for Shopify dropshipping, and then we will discuss the differences between the Shopify and the WooCommerce. In this course, we will cover Shopify dropshipping. Next, we will learn how Shopify works. We will learn how to fulfill order. Then we will learn how to add different product to our Shopify store, how to update products, then how to read different analytics in the store. Then we will learn how to add different application from Shopify store to our store. Then we will learn how to add different sale channel to our store. And in last, we will check different setting like shipping setting, payment setting, checkout setting. In this section, we will learn about the Facebook ad, because without Facebook ad we cannot run dropshipping business. First of all, we will learn about business manager, how business manager work. After that, we will add Facebook page to our business manager. Then we will look how ad account work. Then we will learn about pixel that allow you to measure the effectiveness of your ad. Then we will cover ad manager. Then we will look into the different level of campaign like ad campaign, ad set level, and ad level. Next, we will learn about ad placement, how many places we can show our ad to our audience. Then we will learn ad budget optimization, different type of targeting, how to create audience, and in last we will discuss advanced strategies. See you in the next video.